Now let's talk about the BR tag, or it's known as the line break tag. I'm going to create a simple web page here. Okay, now I'm going to put an H2 tag. I'm just doing this so you can see the page in larger text when it renders. Alright, now I'm going to put a simple line here. This is line 1. And I'm going to put a BR tag after it. Now I'm going to put the next line, another BR tag, and one more. And then I'll render it. And this is what it gives me. Now if I don't use this BR tag and I render it without it, it's going to put the line together. See, HTML ignores the line feed that's within your text editor. So that's why we use the BR tag, so that you can create a single line feed in your web page. The BR tag does not have any attributes that you can assign to it. Also, the BR tag does not have a closing tag.